Well, hello friends, welcome to my channel again, and today we have a different video because I wanted to share with you how you can actually make at home one of these cool tumblers that you see right here. This was a gift from one of my great friends, Gino. Thank you so much. Thumbs up to you. You really nail it. And you know that now the rave is having all this, whoops, stay there, all these Stanley cups or any brand cup. And as you can see, they're very sturdy. They're very nice, but at the same time, they're kind of pale. Like they don't make a statement like this ones do. And I want to share with you how actually I have turned a few of these tumblers into something that looks like this. And I'm going to show you one right here. And of course, it has to be related to Halloween and horror. And take a look at this. I made this at home in just a few minutes, I could say even seconds, and it's very simple. So how did I turn a simple, just pale blank tumbler with this right here? Yep, they're just stickers. And first of all, where I got this, look at this. These are, first of all, these are premium stickers. They're meant to withstand heat, to withstand the washing machine. And I got them, again, from AliExpress. I bought it a few months ago. They cost me $1.68. Nowadays, they're a little bit more expensive because of the tariffs and all that kind of stuff, because everything from AliExpress mostly come from China. And it's very simple. So I'm going to show you. So first of all, these are meant for large Stanley cups or the mason jars. So the only thing that you have to do, you just peel them off. And look at this. You just apply it to your Stanley cup or your cup, and I'm gonna show you in a few seconds how it looks. I'm just gonna tape this because these are not meant for this Stanley cup. So I'm gonna be back in just a second. Okay, guys, so we're back. So take a look at this. Look how cool it looks. Okay, I have the Stanley logo there, but you can just cover it. Remember, I just taped this, so because it's not intended for this Stanley cup. This is not my Stanley cup. But take a look at this. You could actually cut all of this if you want to be more artistic and place them in different places. But look how different it looks. And this is definitely a statement that you will be making at work, at school, at the gym. And take a look at the other one I have right here. This one is so cool. Actually, you can trim this with a scissor and make it and put it right there on the rim. So it looks like it's actually oozing blood from your cup. And how about it, guys? Remember, I also taped this one right here. So what do you think about this little makeover? Do you like it? Do you think it's worth? Of course, it's worth only $2. And with that said and done, you can buy this, any topic at all Star Wars. You can buy horror icons. You can buy from Hello Kitty. There's like hundreds of options right there for your kids, for your husband, for whatever you want them. But as like I am a crazy Halloween fan, I had to go with this. So yes, guys, this is all I have done. Take a look here. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, like I said, and enjoy all this little crap that I do right here. If you like Halloween, if you like horror conventions, if you like Comic-Cons, just watch my other videos right here on this side. You will see in a few seconds a little bit of the videos that I have. And please, if you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel because that helps a lot. And with that said and done, thank you so much, guys. And remember, we're only 5 months away from Halloween. Boo. Thank you and have a great morning, afternoon, or evening. Ciao.